So there's a million and one reasons why free speech is good for mental health. It's empowering and it helps us to solve problems, which increases our self efficacy, which is our belief and our ability to solve problems in the world. And self efficacy is very strongly associated with good mental health outcomes. So now evolutionary psychologists actually look at the fact that human beings are really the only species that has the gift of language on the level that we have it. Now, certainly there are, I know like dolphins make noises and they communicate in certain ways, but humans are the only ones where we have language that actually includes symbolic type thought, right? So I could say like, oh, I had a dream, right? So or I could tell you, oh, well, I'm going to make a recipe and it has 6 ingredients and here's what you do with it. So humans can rapidly exchange complex, sophisticated information and we can rapidly form social bonds and trust just through our language. It's very unique about us as a species. And evolutionary psychologists have speculated that it's part of the reason why we've even been able to evolve to such a sophisticated species.